In this video, we are going to execute a controller class. As you know, in previous video, we have created application.properties, save this file, and then as you know, we have created the controllers. Here you can see we have created all the repository controllers and application.properties. For executing this, we need a postman for executing our services or mappings like post mapping. To download and install Postman, the link will be given below this video. So right click on your Postman app will open. As you can see, I have an untitled request. Okay, so here I'm going to click the post request. Here we are going to pass the URL. The URL is here /products. Now run your application Spring Boot. Your server will be started. As you know, by default an embedded Tomcat server is there, and the default port number of a Tomcat server is 8080. So you can go and check when your application gets started. 8080 embedded Tomcat server. So we are going to use this in your URL of your Postman. So just type the URL, localhost, and the port number which is there, port number, and the products REST mapping. REST controller, in its REST controller, as you know, go and check if you want. Request mapping is products, so products, and then go to the body. Okay, now we are going to write the JSON formatted data or JSON type data. So go to body, and then we are going to pass it. As you can see, this is get and this is post. So body, none is selected. Now I want raw, and let me just enlarge, and then in we have to use curly bracket or flower bracket, and you have to pass all the column names in string format. This will be the key, and then we have to pass the value. We have to write all the column values here. As you know, we are inserting the data using the post HTTP method. So please follow how I am writing the JSON data. Like you have to pass all the values like the key, and you have to pass the colon as well. Okay, let me just format it, and then let's check the response. Here the table is empty, as you can see, ID, name, and price. Can again run and see I have not inserted a data. Let me just set. Oops, I got an error 5415 unsupported meta type. Okay, let me just check. I have clicked raw. Okay, the text format is selected. We have to select the JSON, and here you can see I got the response from the server. This is a response. This is my body, raw, and then you have to click JSON format, JavaScript object notation. Now let's check whether the data is inserted. Yes, as you can see, the data is created here. So we have completed our first mapping or HTTP method, that is post, as you can see here. Now in the next video we are going to create all the methods. Thank you.